Hello everybody and welcome. After this video you'll be a data tracking pro. To get started, let's figure out how to delete tags and triggers in Google Tag Manager first. Go to the tags section here. You'll see a list of all your tags. Find the tag you want to delete. Each tag has 3 dots on the right side. Click those dots to open a menu. In this menu, you'll see different options. Select Delete. GTM will ask you to confirm the deletion. Be sure you want to proceed. Click Delete, and the tag is gone. Next, let's move on to triggers. Go to the triggers section. Similar to tags, you can delete triggers here. Find a trigger you want to delete. Click the 3 dots next to the trigger you have chosen. Select Delete from the menu. As before, it should delete the trigger from your GTM workspace. Don't forget to submit your changes. Click Submit in the top right corner to save your changes. Give your version a name and description. This helps you keep track of your changes. Then, click Publish. And that is how you delete tags and triggers in GTM. Now happy tracking.